Right, now we have the new chapter of Kingdom Protista. Here, Protista is a kingdom of unicellular eukaryotes in fact, unicellular eukaryotes except red and green algae, right? The kingdom was created by Haeckel in 1886. Protists include solitary unicellular or colonial unicellular eukaryotic organisms which do not form tissue. They are mostly aquatic. The unicells may be naked or covered by cell wall, pellicle shell or cuticle. A well-defined nucleus is present. Protists can be uninucleate, binucleate, or multinucleate. The genetic material is linear DNA enclosed by a nuclear envelope, complex with proteins and organized into distinct chromosomes. This character continues in the remaining three kingdoms. The cytoplasm contains bed cell ribosomes, a variety of organelles such as mitochondria, plastids, and photosynthetic protists, lysosomes, cytoskeleton, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi bodies. Ribosomes are of two types, ADS cytoribosomes and 70S organelle ribosomes. Many have centrioles also. Cytoplasm is always in motion. The phenomenon is called cytoplasmic streaming or cyclosis. Cell wall, if present, contains cellulose. Food reserve is starch, glycogen, paramyelin, chrysolaminarin, and fat. All the three types of lifestyles, plant, animal, and fungal, occur in protists. Some protistans are parasitic, some live symbiotically, as in the gut of animals, while a few act as decomposers. Protistans are a connecting link between monarians and rest of the kingdoms. Asexual reproduction is quite common and occurs through budding, binary fission, multiple fission, plasmatomy, sporulation, cyst formation, etc. And sexual reproduction occur with the help of non-jacketed gametangia. It involves meiosis and lacro. Let me just correct that. Karyogamy. Right. Mitotic parasites formed during cell division. No embryo is formed. In many forms, plastids, 9+2 strand, flagella, and other organelles are present. The nutritive modes of these organisms include photosynthesis, absorption, ingestion, and combination of these. The organisms move by flagella, cilia, pseudopodia, contraction, and mucilage extrusion. Kingdom Protista is also called as Protoctista, is divided into three main groups. Photosynthetic protists, which we will want, Protistan algae, example dinoflagellates or class Dinophaceae, certain Glenodinium, Gymnodinium, Gymnolox, Noctiluca, and Peridinium. Diatoms are class Bacillariophyceae, Nevicula, Naschia, Metocera, Cymbelia, Amphipleura, Pinularia, and eugenoids or euglena like flagellates, euglena, Eutreptia, Ficus, and Paranema. Consumer protists are slime molds or myxomycetes, example Fusarium and Fisarella. Protozoa and protist, example Giardia, Trypanosoma, Leishmania, Amoeba, Entamoeba, Plasmodium, malaria parasite, Paramecium, etc. Important groups of Protista are chrysophytes, diatoms, and golden algae desmids. Diatoms include in phylum Crisipeda. Algae are also known by the name golden algae. They've been grouped under two categories, namely penny types and centric types. And continuing, penny types are bilaterally symmetrical, and centric types are radially symmetrical. Diatoms have cell walls containing silica constructed in two overlapping halves, which fit together like two parts of a soapbox. Penny types or pair of petri dishes, centric types. The outer wall is called epitheca, and the inner wall is called hypotheca. They are present in both fresh and salt water and comprise an important food for the aquatic animals. However, out of 5,500 species, most are marine. They lack flagella and float mainly due to light storage lipids present in them. Due to their silica impregnation, the walls of diatoms are indestructible. As a result, diatomaceous earth formation has occurred due to remains of cell walls of diatoms in the form of fossils. Silica wall of diatoms is designated with fine ridges, lines, pores, etc. These ornamentations are either radially symmetrical or bilaterally symmetrical or either side of the long axis of the cell. Food reserve is oil and chrysolaminarid or leucocin, beta 1 and 3 glucan. Multiplication is through binary fission. Binary fission reduces the size of most daughters due to relation to one valve of the parents. This is corrected through the development of rejuvenation cells or oxospores, example Cosinodiscus, Stephanodiscus, and Simbella, etc. Diatoms. Diatoms may exhibit slow gliding movements produced by streaming of cytoplasm through grooves on the surface of cell wall.